श्रीधर्मशास्त्राचरणं वीरमणिकण्ठनादाचरणं श्रीधर्मशास्त्राचरणम्
Distance from Pudukkottai to Dharmasastha temple is approximately around 30 kilometers. The nearest town is Thirumayam. You have lot of buses or you can have your own transport from Thirumayam to Sasthangovil temple.
श्रीधर्मशास्त्राचरणं वीरमणिकण्ठनादाचरणं श्रीधर्मशास्त्राचरणं श्रीधर्मशास्त्राचरणं वीरमणिकण्ठनादाचरणं श्रीधर्मशास्त्र
Sri Dharmasastave Namaha. I am very proud to introduce my family died Dharmasastha temple, which is there in Pudukkottai district of Tamil Nadu, which is from 100 kilometers from Trichy, around 50 kilometers from Pudukkottai and 25 kilometers from Thirumayam. And also the nearest place is Karaikudi, which is just approximately around 25 kilometers. This is my temple from where my father, forefathers, everybody have been coming regularly, and this is our family god.
श्रीधर्मशास्त्राचरणं वीरमणिकण्ठनादाचरणं श्रीधर्मशास्त्राचरणं
There is a Vinayaka temple outside the temple near the lake, which doesn't have the shade, which has the importance for the temple. शास्तापुरवासं गणादिसमन्वितं गजारूपम् अगं वन्दे शास्तारं प्रणमाम्यहम्. Swami Saranamayyappa. For conducting the Abhishekam, the advisable time is morning 8 o'clock. Kindly get all the puja items from outside only. You will not get any puja items near the temple.